straight ahead. We're
Bridge
going.
scenic view to the right.
It's a lot of power.
Yeah.
It's a lot of power.
That's the biggest substation or whatever I think I've ever seen.
I think it's up there for me too. I don't think I've seen one this big. That's wild.
Yeah, and look at all this over here too. Wow.
Holy crap.
That's amazing.
Oh yeah, we're coming
Comes
up
the
on
money
it.
shot, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the start of the dam, yeah.
Dog.
Oh, here's the bridge.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Look at that.
Oh, that's cool. I'm glad we came down here.
That's awesome. And we just drove over that.
Yeah, that's a cool view. So Hoover Dam, Lake Mead.
Yeah. Colorado River.
It's definitely worth the 2-mile drive back here.
100,000%. Does it?
Yep. Yeah, I don't think we have to get out and walk over that. Just coming down here to see it is all we needed.
Yeah. I mean, can we actually drive over it?
Cars are going over it.
Do you want to?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Oh, they have parking spaces.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well, cafe is
That's
stuff.
cute. Wow, look at this. The electrical towers leaning off the side
Yeah.
here. Huh.
Hydropower.
Oh, this is a cool building.
Whoa.
Oh,
Wow.
it's beautiful.